Hi, I'm Vera. I'm a child passenger safety technician instructor and child passenger safety advocate for Safe Traffic System. We're the manufacturer of the RideSafer travel vest. There is an optional crotch strap that ships with the small size vest. It is to be attached on the front at this ring, and then on the back it splits into a Y, and it is to be attached to the back of the vest. The purpose of the crotch strap is to teach little ones to be able to sit upright. In some cases, it helps to keep the vest down, but in most cases, it is absolutely unnecessary. If your child is mature enough to be able to sit unassisted in a lap and shoulder belt, your child should be mature enough to be able to wear the RideSafer travel vest. If the child is all squirmy, if the child likes to submarine down and under, perhaps that would be a time that you would consider using the crotch strap as a training aid until your child is old enough and mature enough to be able to sit unassisted with the lap and shoulder belt in the car.